Hello, welcome to Taxonomy Online. We are on question 45 of the series on NOV-DEC 2024 objective test questions. The variable P, Q, and R are such that P varies directly as R. So variation, we can pick the first aspect as P is varying directly as R. This is a direct variation. And inversely, and the same time P is varying what? Inversely as the square of what? Q. So if this P is the one doing the variation, and the same time P is varying at this, by combination, we can say that P is varying as R over Q square, putting the two together. This is a relation between them. Then by creating an equals to, we can have P equals to the constant of proportionality or variation will multiply the R. So I'll be having P equals to KR over Q square. So that's what I'm saying. So it varies as the square of P of Q. So if the value of P is given as 2, meaning by substitution, we can have 2 equals to KR, where R is 4. So this is 4 divided by Q being 6. So 6 squared. We are looking for the constant, the K, which is the only unknown variable here. Here, what do? We can cross multiply to have 2 times 6 times 6. That will be 36 equals to 4K. We are looking for K, so we divide by the coefficient of the K, meaning 2 times 36 divided by 4, 4K over 4. We know 4 will go here 1, go here 9. 9 times 2 will be 18 equals to K. Therefore, the constant K will be equals to what? 18. So which option are we going for? This will give way for option A as the only answer here. I guess this is also clear. Like, share, comment, and subscribe.